Hey everyone, so today we're going to do a flip and drag across two canvases, and I already have the lamp black base down. All of my paint mixing videos, the links are below the video here in case you want to check that out to see how we mix. And I think I'm going to put quite a bit of paint in here so that I can get some fullness, and maybe we'll airbrush it out. So I'm going to start with some black. That will be pretty much our last color out. And I will follow that with, let's go with the Folk Art Peridot Metallic. It's a very pretty green. We introduced this Monday night on the channel. And then I'm going to follow that with the Lucas Sand. These are available on Jerry's Artorama, the Lucas brand. The Craft Smart Deep Bronze Metallic. And then the Liquitex Red Oxide. This is also a new color to our channel. It's almost like the terracotta from Lucas, except it's a little bit lighter. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again, because I want to make sure I have enough paint. That should be plenty of paint to get through there. I'm going to finish it off with a good squirt of black down the middle and then a little bit on top. All right. Here we go. And I don't care that I lost some because I'm going to be moving it. What I didn't do was spray the cup. My bad. But it doesn't matter because we're wanting to use this paint. Alright, now when I come back through, oops, a bunch there, I'm just going to go in and out in spots just to move it around a little bit. Loving the colors. Just let it rest for a second. Check spots that need filling in. And I just tap those with my finger before I shift some paint. Oh, it's like the only one. Let me give it a quick torch. We'll release some air. And I do want to bring these edges off, I think. I don't know, though. It's really pretty right here. I don't want to touch it. But let's stretch it out, and I'm going to do both at the same time. And then I'll come back this way. I'm really loving that Peridot in there. Okay, so I got it out pretty well now. But I definitely want to blow that out just to give it a little more movement. Take a peek at it and see how it looks. Now remember, your edges will get lost in the black, so you really have to push out quite far before the black eats it up. You can use a straw when you're doing this. Just be careful you're not blowing from back here out. Just want to get those edges. You're just taking the edge and pushing it out. It'll eventually will feather out for you. But if you're taking too much paint here and blowing it, you'll get that line that everybody says they get. That looks pretty. Okay, I'm happy with the blowing now. I wasn't sure I wanted to do that, because there's still time to save it if we didn't. I always like to step back and look at it before I go any farther. And I'm not going to turn the canvases around because I have to, it would be too hard for me to line them back up. So we're just going to do it this way. You have to be a little bit more careful when you're coming towards yourself because it's harder to get the very edge. And then you get those hooks too. But those are fixable. A little bit more here. Yeah, I like it. Alright, I'm good now. I'm always second guessing myself. Do I really want to push it out or not? This will make a great diptych on a wall. So these are 12 by 16 canvases. I think they're 12 by 16. They might be 11 by 14. I'll double check them. So you're getting quite the length. You don't have to have them exactly next to each other either. I love it. Love it. Let me give it a quick torch, and then I can see how many more cells want to come up. So that was a great color combo that you can add to your palette notes. Yeah, I love it. But I do want to measure those canvases. Yep, they're 11 by 14. So you're 11 by 28, which is a great piece for a wall. And you can stagger them on a wall like this and still get a great design. So let me see if I can lift one up and show you without dripping on the other. There's lots going on in there. Love this spot here. So that's that one. And then this one, I have an interesting little spot down here. But I'm loving that green in there. It's called Peridot, and that's from Folk Art. It's a metallic. So it will dry nice and shiny too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below. Click on that bell to be notified when we upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join our Facebook group and check out my art page on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. The group link is below, the Peridot Posse. And also, the paint mixing videos are below if you're new to get you started. We also have lots of tutorials in our playlist. If you're interested in buying supplies, we have our Amazon shop link below. Everything is there that you'll need to get started. And I do check for the best prices so that you're not paying too much to get started. And if you want to buy paintings, we have them in our Etsy shop. That link is below. If you're using resin or want to start using resin, we have a code for the Stone Coat Art Coat below. $10 off a $95 order using the code POSSE. Our prints are available on Redbubble, and you can also have coffee cups and stuff like that made with them. And our fan mailbox is below. The address is, it's a post office box if you want to send us a gadget to play with on Monday nights. Ellen's always game to play with a gadget. And also, if you want to sponsor the channel, we do quarterly giveaways. Our next giveaway is April 1st. So if you donate to the channel through the PayPal link below, you'll be entered in our drawing for, we usually just say go to Etsy, pick out a painting that you want, and that's your prize. But we also have lots of other prizes that we give to our sponsors. And it's our way of saying thank you for supporting the channel, because all of the money that we receive from our sponsors is spent on paint and canvas and the supplies that we need to keep the channel going. So thank you so much for watching. We love you all, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.